Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know what this video is going to be today, but I figured I would record a little bit. Not going anywhere, staying home as usual. It's almost 11 o'clock, so still doing school with Madison. She's taking a break right now. She did math already. Can you get off the chair, please? Stop. Greg went out and got, allergy medicine for Chase because his allergies, this is the first year that he's had allergies, and he has it like so bad. His eyes are swollen and his nose is all stuffy, so Greg went out and got him like different medicine because we were giving him Claritin, but it doesn't seem to be working, so we got Zyrtec. And now the kids are shooting me with laser guns. Okay, please take that in the playroom, please. Anyway, got a few things I'm gonna be doing today. One, after school is done, after we're done with that, so probably when Noah goes to take a nap is when I'll do whatever I want to do. There's a little piece of hash brown in here. Yeah, you want it? Here, you can have that. One thing I'm going to do is switch the tables. I'm going to switch this table, and don't mind the mess. It's like breakfast mess. Haven't cleaned anything up yet. I'm going to switch this table with the table in the playroom. Was our old kitchen table. I'm going to put the old kitchen table back out here because this one is one I got on Marketplace, and it's all right. It was fine when Noah was mostly eating in his high chair, but now he wants to sit at the table with us a lot, and we just don't have room for like 5 chairs here, or we don't have room for 2 chairs on like one side. It's too small. I didn't realize that the legs were going to be too close together really to put 2 chairs on one side. Like it'll fit, but they're always like knocking into each other, and they have a hard time, like Noah has a hard time pulling a chair over and getting it to fit. So for that reason, and also just because the other table is so much easier to keep clean and to keep like scratches and everything getting all over it. It has that like laminate top, that old laminate top Formica, I think. That was, I guess, popular in the 70s or something. I think that's when that table is from, the 70s. But I love the top of that table so much better than this one. This is just like solid wood coated with something, but it's like not durable at all. We're like destroying this table with how hard we are on it. So anyway, a lot to say about tables, but I'm switching the other table back into here, and I think it's gonna fit us all better, and I like the top on that table a lot better. I'm also gonna be hanging up this in the hallway. I got this, it's upside down, but it doesn't really matter. I got this at, where did I find this? TJ Maxx or something. Like a week or so ago. I'm gonna put that in the hallway, so I'll see if I can hang up that today. So it's like 2 o'clock now. Madison is done with school except for reading. We really have to start reading our next book that we're reading, and we're just gonna do, what is this called? Little House in the Big Woods. I don't think I've ever read this. So I got 2 copies so we can read together sometimes and then probably separately at other times. But I definitely need to get her to start reading that today. But yeah, Noah is down for a nap right now, so now is when I can do things that I want to do. So I'm going to try to hang up this thing. I'm going to try to hang up this mirror. I don't even know if there's anything to hang this on the other side. I'm hoping there is. There is something to hang it with. There's like a wire attached to it, so yay for that. So all I need to do is figure out, I think I'm going to put it up here. Figure out where to put it, mark it, and I don't know, I could probably just use a nail maybe. So that is up on the wall. That's not the wall I wanted it to go on. I wanted it to go over here, but there's electric running like all through because the bathroom is on the other side, and there's like the light switches and everything on the other side, and then this stuff right here. So I don't know, it's like I didn't want to take a risk of electrocuting myself over there, so I put it on this wall. That is what it looks like. I think it's all right there, except I wanted to be able to see it from the living room, but oh well. I think it looks okay there. I like it. I'm just not sure if I like that spot. Let me know what you guys think. It's obviously too high for me to look in. If I didn't buy it for like a let's look at my face mirror. I just bought it as a decoration, so if I wanted it to be able to actually look in that mirror, it would have to hang like way low and it would look so dumb. So it's just up on the wall where like a normal piece of artwork would probably be, but I'm short, so I'd have to hang it really short to be able to see it. So anyway, next thing I want to do is the table. So I think I'm gonna try to get that done while Noah's still napping. So it's now the next day. I got the tables switched. I got the old table back in the kitchen and the other old table is in the playroom now. So let me show you. So this is now our new old kitchen table, and I don't know, I'm so much happier with this one. It just feels like home in our kitchen now, and the kids are like excited about this table. I don't know, I feel like we're all just like attached to this table for some reason. And we fixed it a little bit since we had it set up last time. We were actually missing a type of like bolt or something where the legs screw in, and that's why the legs would like keep coming loose all the time, and I had to keep tightening them. So we got new locking bolts or something for under there. So now the legs are nice and tight, and they should stay that way for a while. I shouldn't have to keep tightening it all the time. But I gave this table a good cleaning on the underside, like cleaned it so good, probably the best cleaning it's had in like decades. And I'm gonna do the same thing with like this part here, this edge piece here that kind of, you know, stuff gets stuck in there, and I can feel that it definitely needs to be clean. So I'm gonna do that eventually, not right now. Right now I wanna work on the bathroom a little bit because Noah's upstairs for his nap. I've been working in the bathroom, getting wallpaper off of there because that's the room that I'm working on right now. I'm gonna paint it and do a little update in there. But I was thinking for this table, I might look into getting like some newer chairs, maybe something a little more, I don't know, just something cooler. But this is what I'm working on right now. This is how far I've gotten. I got over there, I got all behind the toilet, that wallpaper taken down. This wall, I basically did everywhere that I could get without a step stool, pretty much, except for over here. I guess I'll work on that section. And then I have all the top of the bathroom wallpaper to take off. It's 9 o'clock now, kids are in bed, and now I can do more stuff that I wanted to do that I didn't have time to do. One thing that's been on my list for a while is to paint these shim things. Let me show you. So we put a new piece of baseboard up here. It goes from the kitchen into the hallway, but we didn't realize that like putting that level like straight was gonna leave a gap. Gracie, can you stop? Like it left a gap between the floor and here because it's not level all the way across there. So Greg cut these little shims, little pieces of wood to fit under here. But I need to paint them, so I'm just gonna paint them the white trim color. There's like a tiny one over here. This is gonna be kind of tricky, I think, because I don't want to get paint on the floor. Can I take them out? No, not really. I don't want to take them out. I'm just gonna, oh my goodness, she is going absolutely psycho. Ever since she got her hair cut, I don't know what her problem is. We think she's about to be in heat or is in heat or something like that. I don't know. How sad is that? Gracie's 12. She still has to deal with that. Till you die? Is that how it works with dogs? No menopause for you? That's sad. Anyway, I'm gonna try to do a little bit of painting. Okay, so I have some of the kids' paintbrushes. I have the tiniest little paintbrushes ever. I figure that's what I'm gonna need. And then I have this one, which I think I bought for something, I don't know. But it's not a kid's paintbrush, but I'm gonna see which one of these three works best on that little tiny piece of wood. What are you doing? I'm painting.
Like, I had enough of that.
No, come on. No, this is not gonna work. That was so tedious that I feel like even if I speed this clip up like 12 times the speed, it's still gonna look like I'm not moving. But I got it painted. It looks better because it's not like the wood showing there, and I don't know, it's like it's not perfect because we had to do something to like make it level. You know, we got those things underneath there, but I feel like I'm looking at it a lot because I know that it's there, but I feel like if anybody else came in the house, you wouldn't even like look down and notice it. Can you tell? Pretend that you're just walking through the house. Pretend that you don't know that it's there. Just walking down the hallway. No, it's fine. It looks good. One last thing I've been wanting to do is put something here. There we go, look how cute that is. Let's take this off of here, looks better. There we go. I was trying to wait for the hallway to be completely done and then throw this rug down as like the last finishing touch, but who knows when this is gonna be done because we're waiting on a guy to come and take the air conditioner out of the playroom, and then he's supposed to put 2 more doors up for us that probably have to be reframed because Greg tried to put the doors in, we bought the doors, he tried to hang them up, and they don't fit. He already did 2 doors, no, 1 door, and it was like so hard because he had to cut it like long ways, and he doesn't have the right tools to cut it long ways, and one of the doors is gonna fit. The basement door, Greg thinks will fit fine without having to cut it, but the other 2 doors are gonna need to be like, either trim the doors or reframe it so it fits. I don't know. We're having some guy do that, but I'm still waiting for him to actually come here and do the air conditioner and do that, so I don't know when that's going to be done. And also, I wanted to just use this rug while I have it because I feel like I'm going to wait so long to put the rug down, and then like that rug in the front is going to get worn out or like start falling apart, and then I'll have to get a new one, and then they're not going to have it anymore, and then nothing will match anymore. So I was like, you know what, I'm just going to put the rug down and enjoy it while I have it, and if the hallway gets finished, then great, and if it doesn't, oh well. I mean, I know it'll get finished eventually. I was just hoping to have the hallway done before I like start going upstairs and everything, but maybe it's not going to work out that way. Because everything has to turn into a much bigger thing than we thought it was going to be. Like, we can't just buy doors and put the doors in. It's not working. The doors don't fit. Even though we got the right size doors, they still don't fit. So, yeah. Anyway, looks cute. I like it now. You know, when Gracie has accidents and pees from the living room all the way into the playroom, she can also pee on this rug. So, cool. I think I'm going to wrap up this video here, though. I hope you guys enjoyed coming around with me, getting some stuff done. I've been kind of doing a new thing lately, though, and maybe I'll make a little video on this, but, like, I've been kind of taking it easy and not, like, doing a million things every day, and you know, it took me days to get these few things done, so yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be doing like huge to-do list videos, do everything in a day with me anymore, even though I've never really done that. It's always been like over several days because I can't like get that much done in a day. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm just doing this new thing where like I chill out a little bit more during the day and not go psycho. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys all. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys all for my next one. Bye.